Now open Labubu how to train your dragon.
Yeah, here's because this is all wet. Whoa.
No,
Clean.
let me help you. That's a very rare Labubu toy. Okay, let's see it. Yeah, the box was filled with wet. But wow, that's like a limited edition or something. Oh, look at this.
That's Labubu how to train it. There's 2 of them. Can you do it again?
Are we opening it?
No, we can't open it. Because that look. Oh no!
Okay. I have to cut it. Okay. Not damage the. Oh my god, look at this.
This is the big one.
It is Labubu, but let me. Oh, wow.
This is the weird.
Ooh.
What is it?
Let me see.
This is the weird one. Never seen.
Be careful.
This is
Wait.
the last one.
This is the one. Oh my god. Oh, looks so cute. Look at this one.
It's shining.
Yes, it is.
Want to train your dragon? When is gonna be Labubu Sonic? This is not the black one. This is the girl.
You like that one?
Yeah. Wow, Labubu. We have to be Sonic Labubu.
Sonic Labubu?
Yeah.
I don't know. I didn't see Sonic Labubu.
Bye bye everyone.